Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can access the AliExpress Ali coins, or how you can use the Ali coins. First of all, if you want to access the Ali coins, you just need to hover on the your profile. You will get to see my coins. If you are using mobile, just click on your profile. The page will appear like this, and it will say that my orders and my coins, message center. Click on my coins. After clicking, I don't have any coins right now, but if you purchase something, you will get some coins, and you can use those coins to get a discount in the future. So this coin work uh, in this way. If you want to see my coins, I don't have any coins. These coins will appear here. For example, you can sort your activities too from here. So this is how you can use your coins in the AliExpress. If this video found informative, then hit the like button, and thanks for watching.